Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon again. This video is about getting rid of the pop-up windows from the website Citinnoiddidn.pro. Citinnoiddidn.pro. These are some one-day websites that keep attacking browsers randomly. In particular, I'm talking about Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. And the pop-ups may attack both Windows and Mac computers. However, in this video I specifically talk about Mac problem. Now, these pop-up windows are intended to redirect your browser to many random websites. To make it possible, the pop-up suggests that you click on its allow button, supposedly to verify something, for example, to confirm your age, or to prove that you are not a robot, or to initiate some download process, or to watch some video file. And some other deceptive alerts may be used for that purpose. Some people mistakenly click on this allow button, and this automatically hijacks the browser. Now, in order to fix the issue and get rid of these pop-ups, my recommendation to you is this one. You first of all try the manual step. Go to your Google Chrome settings, then scroll down to the advanced area, click on site settings, and then on notifications. Go to the bottom of the page and you will find this website in the list of approved pages to show notifications. Then you need to click here and select remove. This was the manual step, and my additional recommendation is that you scan your Mac with Combo Cleaner software. It's called Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac, and it will help to protect your Mac from malware attacks and to remove other adware and malicious items that may slow down your system. So go to the website combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner software and install it using this green download button. After you do that, start Combo Cleaner. This is the way it looks like. Well, updating the antivirus database is important, so do not skip this step while it is done in the very beginning after you start the program. And afterwards, click on Start Combo Scan button to initiate all these several scan types that include Big Files Finder, Duplicates Finder, Antivirus, Privacy Scanner, and other important scan types. So when you click on Start Combo Scan button, all these scan types will be initiated all together. And wait until the scanning is complete and remove the infections. This is the automatic way, but first of all I showed you the manual way, how to remove those nasty pop-ups manually and absolutely for free. I hope that my video was helpful to you. If it was, please like and share, and please subscribe to my channel. All the best.